Hello again, folks. It's Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and today's demonstration is going to be a Pontiac radio. I'm not sure of the year offhand. See if maybe I can get a clue from the model number. Nope, model number's too old. So, at any rate, this is a Pontiac radio from late 60s, looks like, mid to late 60s. And this is from my friends at Level 1 Restoration in Arvada, Colorado. Once again, it's a radio out of a Pontiac. It's a mono radio, AM/FM mono radio, so we're only going to be using one speaker on this demonstration. The original request was to repair it to standard stock, and for reasons of parts availability and long-term reliability, this was not a good candidate for that, so we had to do a conversion on it. Everything works exactly the same as it did before. It's just going to be more reliable. This unit was sent in, problems noted when operating. I've got on the work order, it says FM does not work in the car but works on the bench. When I tested it, the FM worked fine naturally on the bench, and I got no AM at all, no AM operation at all. So there seems to be some disagreement as to what was wrong with the unit beforehand, and that just makes it all the more important to give it a thorough test when we're sending it back in to make this video. And that way, when they reinstall the radio, if the FM still doesn't work, then they'll know that they need to look at their antenna system in the car, because we're showing right now that the FM works. So let's go ahead and turn it on. I've got it set to FM at the moment. Only going to get the left speaker, and we should pick up somewhere between 25 and 30 FM stations. So we'll just run it down the dial.
With you, your vision.
Okay, there's 10 already. There's 20.
Devin, Melissa, Karen, and
you can pay it forward and pay for the.
Okay, that's right at 30 FM stations, and it is after sundown. Let's see if we can get anything on the AM band. Should be getting somewhere around 1400.
Continues on the news.
Okay, there's
1490 at 103.5 FM, KYCA.
1490 AM, 103.5 FM.
Of the Sean
And we might also get something around 1130, if it's still on the air.
To get any significant size by folding it. It would reach 50 times it would reach the sun. You see, each fold is...
Okay, I don't think that's the station that we normally get. I think that's just a station that's coming here over atmospheric skip from someplace else. I think that the main station is off the air. But anyway, we have confirmed that the AM is working because we pick up our station at 1400 here. And that one does not go off the air for some reason.
and here's a
There's our 1400 station.
with men.
So I'll assume that the AM's fine, just because I know these FM conversion products, and they're just absolutely flawless performers. Let's test the tone control, make sure that works.
That's right. All of these folks right here.
Okay, take out our treble.
Sitting on their assets. That's right.
Okay, so that's our tone control. AM and FM switching works properly. I have not yet set the push buttons, so let's go ahead and preset those, make sure that works.
And get that one.
Let's go ahead and FM band. I'm just going to real quick preset all 5 of these quick buttons to any old FM station I can get.
Services. If your business owes $20,000 more in taxes, we can today right.
Okay, just a real quick check. Make sure they all recall their stations.
folks, and we're making our way to that #1 song.
Okay, and that was the last thing to test. Everything is working properly. Both AM and FM functions are working. We only have one speaker because it's a single channel radio. Tone control works properly. Tuning is working properly. Presets are working properly. Everything's cool, so I'm ready to send this unit back to the customer and get on to the next job. This is Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. Needless to say, if you have an 8-track unit either for home or for car use in need of service, you can reach me directly at 928-533-9666. I also do modern FM conversions on classic car AM radios and even AM FM radios that are reaching the end of their the lifespan of most of the parts inside of them. And we can also add certain functions like Bluetooth, USB reader, aux input, and all that cool stuff. Thank you very much for watching and listening. My website is in the description below. Have a great day. We'll see you next time.